The fact will make you very sad that Bali is quite empty, especially from international tourists. If you see all around, you will find, yes, a lot of tourists, but they will be the domestic one. Most of them, in fact, all of them, they are Indonesian. If you are looking for international tourists, you would find them, but very rarely. Earlier, when I was coming from the airport, when I reached to my hotel, on my way, when I was looking at the scenes, when I was looking at the streets, to be honest, that made me really sad. Why? Because mostly the street, like if I remember in 2019, there would be so many international tourists, but unfortunately earlier when I was coming from airport to my hotel, I couldn't see so many. I would just see rarely one or two, and this is the thing which made me really sad. I even said to that taxi driver as well that why Bali is not before like anymore, and he smiled. He said that yes, you are right. Anyways, right now I am on my way to the beach and I am very near the beach. It's Seminyak beach. My hotel is quite near. It's just only maximum like 2 minutes walk. It could be 1 minute because I just came from my hotel, and there it is, the beach. Because this is rainy season, so that's why the situation on the beach in the sea is quite worse. I mean, you cannot surf right now in there. So yeah, this is the scene, and the scene, to be honest, made me really sad. I mean, in front of my eyes still those kind of scenes from 2018 and 2019, they were coming when Bali streets, they would be so much crowded by international tourists, but unfortunately not anymore. Anyways, this is Seminyak beach, and I'm wondering, the beach is quite so dirty, not like before. What happened to you, Bali? What happened? Yes, the beach, you can see clearly on the camera, there is so much trash, so much. Clearly we can see, yes, it's so much trash in there. I still remember I came to this beach, Seminyak, and it was pretty clean in 2018 and 2019. It wasn't like this. So seriously, the scenes right now, they are making me really sad. Bali, 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 what happened to you? Yes, 2021, the worst year for Bali. The island of God just got very quiet, especially for the international tourists. Especially if you would see the local people, if you would meet them, they won't be that energetic. And the reason is because of the situation. The situation is not that good. I mean, I'm talking about business wise. For example, if someone has cafes, if someone has any kind of business, because mostly Balinese people, their life is based on the international tourism here. So of course, if there won't be international tourism, it would terribly affect their life. Domestic tourism, it's also good. Yes, it's like saving Balinese people, but still they're more like international tourism. Maybe because the reason is that from international tourism they can earn more, their businesses can run more perfectly. I think that could be the reason. But still, yeah, look at this beach. Unbelievable. It's so dirty. Still so many domestic travelers, Indonesian, they are here because right now there are so many discounts in the hotel, everywhere, in the cafes. So and New Year is also coming, Christmas is also, so that's why so many domestic tourists you will find here. But yeah, you won't get that kind of feeling what you used to get in Bali. It's going to be evening time very soon. Yeah, so many doggies. Wow. you can say that right now Bali belongs to Indonesian people. Of course, it always belonged to Indonesia, I mean, but I'm talking about travel wise. Right now, just Indonesian people. I'm running from this because I'm wearing shoes. Oh my god. So it's getting evening time, it's getting already dark, and better I go from here. And speaking of the no tourist, as you can see, just look at this cafe, completely empty. Completely. Not even one person is there. See, not even one person. Totally empty. Completely. Gone were the days when if you go in Bali everywhere in cafe there would be a big crowd, there would be people eating, laughing, enjoying. But right now the case has changed. Yes, mostly it's dark and tutup, which means closed. Mostly, yes, closed. I still remember it wouldn't be the case. A lot of things has changed. And just dark. In here as well. Closed. I don't know what was that. I'm wondering. But it looks like where they can give you packages, different kind of. Through those different packages you can visit some beautiful places, like a kind of picnic places. But of course no tourism, that's why it was closed. Bar and restaurant, but seems like closed. Feels like totally empty. Yeah, so this is it. This is latest situation in Bali. Just over there, only 2 people in the whole cafe, and this is the first time I think I saw 2 foreigners. This one also closed. Even they already mentioned 40% discount, but yeah, closed. I mean, not closed, sorry, but yeah, you couldn't find more people in there. So mostly cafes you would only find 2, 3, 4, 5 people, not more than that. Sad thing, right? Yes, of course, especially for Balinese people. And this is it. I reached my hotel. I'll catch you guys later.